Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So welcome back. Alright, so we will continue with question number 2. Suppose that we have fx equals to 2x minus 1 and gx equals to x cubed. So find the values of FOG3 and FF3. Alright, so question A. So this question, FOG3, can be written as F being composed with G3 here. And G3 means we need to substitute 3 into this G to get the value of G3. Okay, so when we substitute 3 into the function of G, we will obtain 3 cubed, which is therefore we have 27, and this F27 means that we need to substitute this 27 into this x of fx. Alright, so let us substitute now. So we have 2 times 27 and minus 1, which is in the end we should get the answer as 53. Alright, so question B. This is not f squared, by the way. So this is actually, we need to find the composition of f with f itself. And we've got these 3 here. So which is can also be written as f composed with f3. Alright, so which means we need to substitute 3 first into the function f here. So which means we will write it like this. So we'll have f to be composed with 2 times 3 minus 1, which is in this case is f. We've got 6 minus 1, which is equals to 5 here. And we have f5 only. So which means we need to substitute 5 to the function f. So we will get 2 times 5 minus 1, which is equals to 9. Alright, so let us continue with question number 3. So we need to find the FOG and G of f with for this particular question. So for our fx we have x squared plus 2, and for gx we have 3x plus 7. Alright, so for question A, so FOG, which is can also be written as f composed with gx like this, which is again is basically we will substitute the gx at the x of this fx here. Alright, so it will be so gx square plus 2, and our gx is 3x plus 7 square plus 2. So we need to expand this one first, so that we should have 9x squared plus with 42x plus with 49 plus 2, and simplifying this we will get the final answer of FOG as 9x squared plus 42x plus 51. Alright. Okay, so for question B, what we have now is we need to find the GOF, which is can also be written as G composed with fx, which also means we need to substitute the x of gx with our function fx here. So this x will be replaced with fx here. So it will be 3 times fx plus 7. So so that fx is somehow equals to x squared plus 2, and don't forget the plus 7. So expanding the 3, we will get 3x squared plus 6 plus 7, and finally we will get the final answer of GOF equals to 3x squared plus 13. Alright, so let us proceed to the question number 5 here. So suppose that we have fx equals to 2x plus 3, and we've got the composite function already, which is fgx equals to 10x minus 9, and we need to find gx here. Alright, so this one will be a little bit different. So we've got already the fgx in this case, which is 10x minus 9, and that fgx means we substitute gx into our function f, and we will get this one. Alright, so we will do exactly the same with the composition. So we will write as 2 gx plus 3 equals to 10x minus 9. So what we are basically doing here is substitute back this x with the gx, because this gx is the input for this function f here. Okay, so we will rearrange this equation and make this gx becomes the subject. Okay, so basically it will be 2gx equals to 10x minus 12, and gx is equals to 5x minus 6. So we've obtained the gx already. Alright, so in our next video we will discuss about question number 6. Suppose when we have gx and it's being given the fgx, but in this case we need to find the fx. Alright, so that's all for this video. Hope you understand. Thank you. Bye.